How to fix critical_process_die errors in Windows 10. To fix critical_process_die errors in Windows 10, try 1. Remove all recently installed rogue updates, such as KB5003173. 2. Run edism/online. /cleanup image/check health command as admin. 3. Launch the rollback driver option for any recently installed device drivers. If the rollback option is grayed out, uninstall the current driver. 4. Clean boot your Windows. To find out the troublesome app/service.